Hello, friends. Here I am again. I hope that you're enjoying the stories that I'm reading to you. Today I'm going to read you this book is called Baby Animals. And before springtime is over, I wanted to get this book in because it's such a cute story and it tells us where some of the baby animals come from and what they look like. So this book is called Baby Animals and is written and illustrated by Charles Fudge. Hope that you like it. Baby ducks will follow the first thing they see, whether it's their mama or a baby chimpanzee. Platypuses are not birds, but look, they hatch from eggs. And little baby frogs and toads have tails, not arms or legs. See them right here? Those are baby toads and frogs. These are the mamas. Baby Asian elephants are fuzzy when they're born. Do you see all the little fuzz? And at first, a baby rhino only has a tiny horn. Can you see the horn? I can't. But look at the cute little Asian animals. The elephant. The elephant and the rhino kind of look alike, right? In color, their shape. And then the little baby black bears fall asleep and they feel the safest up on a tree. The meerkat babies aren't afraid of snakes, as you can see. Look at the snake. I think the snake is a little more afraid of the meerkats. They're being silly. Daddy Seahorse has the babies without a fuss. How many babies does this Daddy Seahorse have? I see 3, but I also see a big belly. Maybe more are coming out. And a baby humpback whale is as heavy as a bus. How much do you think that weighs? How much do you think a school bus or a regular bus weighs? That's how much the humpback whale is. A baby emperor penguin nests upon his daddy's feet. A baby seal is as white as snow to match the white icy sheet. Aren't they adorable, the snowy animals? And look out! Here comes a tiny train made out of baby shrews. Watching from mother's pouch is the best way for baby kangaroos. Koala babies ride upright upon their mother's back. But upside down's the right way up for baby sloths and bats. Upside down and downside up. Baby animals love to growl, shriek and squawk and peep, but they hardly make a sound when they fall fast asleep. That's the end. I hope that you like the story and you learned something about one of those animals. What do you think is the best way for you to treat these animals? If you see them hatching, what do we do with baby animals when they're hatching? And how are they born? How long does it take for tadpoles to grow their legs and feet and arms? And how long are these baby animals inside their mama's tummies? Lots of questions. And why do you think the snake isn't something they're afraid of, the meerkats? How much is a humpback whale? How much does it weigh? Can you find out? I hope that you liked the story, and we'll see you soon with another one. Thanks for listening, friends. Bye.